now we're gonna copy and paste these, oh my goodness, here under the folder. So we're having quiche, the logo, salad. I just took them from my Instagram account, Algerian Appetizer. And then we're gonna update our header. So the header now gonna include our logo. This is the address of our logo. And then we also need to update the menu. So here in our menu, we added the pictures, the address of the pictures, etc. Now let's try to run and debug and see the difference.